In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the toolbar in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Give the app a moment to load fully so all interface elements appear. Next, open any PDF you'd like to work with. Having a document open helps you see your changes immediately and makes it easier to confirm that the tools you add are exactly where you want them. Now look for the All Tools option on the global bar. Depending on your version, this can appear along the top or on the side panel. Click All Tools to open the full catalog. This panel is your master list of everything Acrobat can do, grouped into categories like Edit, Comment, Organize, and more. It's the quickest way to browse what's available and decide what deserves a permanent spot on your toolbar. When you find a tool you use often, hover over it. You can right-click the tool's icon or click the three dots next to it to reveal more actions. From that menu, choose Customize Toolbar. This opens a dedicated customization window so you can control exactly what appears in your Quick Tools area. Inside the customization window, look for the section labeled Choose Tools to Add. You can scroll through the categories or use the search field to jump straight to the feature you need. Selecting a tool here highlights it and prepares it for placement. Take a moment to verify you've chosen the right item, especially if there are similarly named tools, for example, different versions of comment or edit functions. Once the tool is selected, click Add to Toolbar. You should see it appear in the preview area of your Quick Tools. Acrobat typically places it at the end of the lineup, and you'll notice the icon is ready for one-click access from your permanent toolbar. This is the space you'll rely on most, so adding your daily essentials here can save a lot of time. You can repeat the same process to add more tools while you're in the customization window. Many users add basics like combine files, organize pages, or frequently used comment options. Keep it focused though. Too many icons can slow you down rather than speed you up. When you're satisfied with your selections, don't forget to click Save. This confirms your changes and closes the customization view, anchoring your new icons to the Quick Tools bar. Return to your open PDF and try your newly added tools to make sure everything works as expected. That's it. Your Acrobat workspace is now tailored to your workflow. If your needs change later, revisit All Tools, open Customize Toolbar again, and refine your setup anytime.